So this with the handbrake is always a terrible ordeal. But what you need to do is take this spring here. It looks like this. And now it's set so it points inwards towards the center of the wheel hub. Then you need to clock it like this, so it points downwards. And then tweak it slightly like this. Then it pops out. And on the other side, it's towards the center now, and you need to twist it down and then tweak it like that. And then to put it all together, what I did was I first put this spring in place, and then I took this mechanism, had it out, and I put this spring on, and then I put it on the other side here. So I had this brake shoe connected around here, but it's still loose and a lot of movement. And then I entered this end of the mechanism, so it's against a little cutout there. But it was still outside on this end. So this was outside here. What I did then, I took the screwdriver, forced it underneath here. I lined up this mechanism, and by twisting the screwdriver or bending it out, it created a bigger gap, and then I could push in that side in under there, in there, so it's aligned as it is now. And then I put this spring on, and then finally this stuff here. And this is now oriented so that when you turn it down, it expands.